Started not seeing eye to eye. Then this will progress to stupid fights. Now she or I will stay out all night, when we never choose to question why. Out of the blue, I begged one day, let's pack our things and move far away. I've done things I'm ashamed of. Can't blame anyone, blame love. When the fire takes blame, she's able to live and die this way.
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail. The person you're trying to reach is not available. At the tone, please record your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up.
Action show we had no shame. Out of the blue, I begged one day, says let's pack our things and move far away.